Alright, so for our first example, so here's the values of the resistor. So for R1, it would be 3 ohms. Then for R2, let's set it as 4 ohms. So this would be the variables that we need to look for. So we have total resistance, we have the total current, then we have the voltage drops for R1 and R2. Okay, so if you still remember, we have this total capacitance formula for series and parallel from the previous topic. We have that in resistors as well. So RT for series is just addition, so that's R1 plus R2. So it's totally the opposite of capacitance. Okay, so then we have another one, so that's V is equal to IR, which is what we're going to use later, the Ohm's law. Okay, so first let's try to look for RT. Okay, so RT is equal to R1 plus R2. So just substitute. R1 is 3 ohms plus 4 ohms. So RT is 7 ohms. Okay, so we have RT here, so that's 7 ohms. Okay, so after finding that, by the way, I forgot, let's have a voltage of, let's say, 14 volts. Okay, volts is a small v. Okay, so let's try to have that. So for a second equation, we're going to look for total charge. Okay, so I'm going to erase this now. I hope you got it already. So now we're going to utilize Ohm's law. So we have V is equal to IR. What we need is current. So divide both sides by R. Okay, so cancel this. Then substitute. So we have current is equal to, what's our voltage? 14 volts. Divided by, what's our total resistance? We have 7 ohms. Okay, so this would be 2 amperes. Okay, so let's put it here. 2 amps. Alright, so next, what we're going to look for is voltage for R1. Okay, so again, we're going to use V is equal to IR. Okay, this time we're going to look for V1 is equal to total current times R1. Okay, you got that? So let's try to solve that. So V1 is equal to, what's our total current? So that's 2 amps times, what's our R1? R1 is 3. Okay, so multiply those. So our V1 is 2 times 3, so of course that's 6. Unit is volts. Okay, so let's try to write that here. 6 volts. Okay, then for V2, so that's V2R2. Okay, current that we're going to use is still the same. Remember, it's still the same because there's just one circuit. Okay, one loop flowing. Right, so substitute. So we have V2 is equal to 2 amps times, what's our R2? 4 ohms. Okay, so V2 is equal to 4 times 2, that's 8. Unit is volts. Alright, so V2 is 8 volts. So to check for the total voltage if it matches, so just add these two. Okay, so let's see if the total voltage, or V, is equals to V1 plus V2. So that would be 6 volts plus 8 volts is equal to 14. Okay, which matches the given. So this would be all the necessary answers that you need.